Hello, and this is Lab 2 for computer programming. We were supposed to use an if statement and a loop statement to create a loop and program. What I chose to do is integrate the Arduino, an LED, a couple of 1K resistors, a push button, and the function of it is to have a do-while loop continuously looping and performing a blinking function, and then when I press the button, it goes into an if statement when the button is reading as a high statement, and it will do another blinking function. So as you can see here, I have it connected to pin 13. The LED is connected to pin 13. If it will focus here. There it goes, pin 13. And then the button is connected to pin 2. And then I have my ground wires, my positive. I have the LED connected separately through pin 13, so it's not overridden by a normal circuit. And then that has its own ground wire through the resistor, going back to ground. And then the push button has its own yellow wire going to it from pin 2, and then it has again its own positive and resistor and negative to complete its circuit. Now let me plug it in for you. And as you can see here, my do while loop statement is in effect. As you can see on my screen right here, here is my do while loop. I have the delay for 50 milliseconds, and then write commands for high and low to turn them on and off, and another delay. And then I also have a break, which is a new function, which is important for me as it helps break this loop and go back to an if statement when the button state is in high. So let me show you. So when I press the button, it will have a delay of 1,000 milliseconds and then turn back on, a delay for 1,000 milliseconds and then turn back off. So press the button, turns off, turns on, and then that quick blink is because it tries to go back to the do while loop. However, because the button state is still high, it goes back to the if statement. And there you have it. There's my code for you. The if statement, the do while statement, and the while statement is for low when the button is not being pressed, and my constants, pinning the button for 2, and the LED is pin 13, and then the pin modes. Thank you very much.